Hello, welcome again. Today we are out with the XP Deus Lite. So we strictly go on audio. The only reason why I've got the remote with me is so you can hear the audio on video. The only thing I might change, which you can do via the headphones, is change the kilohertz. Being on pasture, I might go for a lower kilohertz, and I might change to full tones. But you can do that through the headphones, and you don't need a control to do that. I'll be using the standard programs. I might go for Deus Fast, and we'll see how we get on. So it's a strictly audio day. You'll hear the quality of the audio through this. It's a good machine, very lightweight, and cutting edge technology. Let's see how we get on. Thank you very much. Right, so here's the first target with the XP Deus Lite. I ain't got a clue what the numbers are, I'm just going to go by audio. Sounds quite perky. Running the day is quite hot. Just about there, target. Let's keep on digging. Let's see what we get. Smack down the middle of the hole. A good start. So I'm running it a little hot, so I can afford to reduce that sensitivity, and it won't ping and beep off like you hear. So the first target was lead, and that was at the bottom there. It's a good audio. Down around about 7 inches. Nice sharp audio. On to the next. As you can hear, I'm using full tones. Sorry about the wind, I think that's picked up. Can't shout out numbers because that'd be defeating the object. But it definitely sounds good enough for me to dig. Still down the hole. Also we might change and have a go program what is pitch. I quite like that one. It's quite quirky, nice and sharp, similar to full tones. There we are. No clue what it is yet. It might be just a hook. You can see that. I think just some kind of possibly ornate hook. It's a nice find. That's what we want. It was a good start to the day really. And that was down about 7 inches, 7 to 8 inches. Nice. Cool little find. Ain't got a clue what it is, but saying that, it looks like some sort of serpent. I don't know if you can see any detail on it if I get out of the way of the light. Yeah, interesting find. Let's crack on. We have a target here near iron. Absolute speed of this machine. There's your target. Classic. Let's concentrate on this one. Either small or fairly deep. Spading just about there. You should be alright. That's what we want. No stones. Nice. Bit of ground. Still down the hole. And what's on the menu today? I think we're going to have to take another chunk. We're still going down. No sign of it yet. I'll check round the hole. So we're out. We were over here. So what have we got? Take a couple of handfuls. Not in there. Not in there. Not in there. They're in there. Oh, here we are. We have an old coin. I'm not quite sure, to be honest, until we clean it up. So that's not bad. Gave nice squeaky audio next to the iron. In Deus fast mode, full tones. Hard to say what that was down, but I'm sure that was down roughly that sort of tone it was. So you're probably looking at 8-9 inches down for a nice little coin. Brilliant stuff. On to the next. Now then, we've got a largest signal here. Very vibrant. Dig around about there. We're still down the hole. Buckle. As I said before, don't mind finding the old buckles. I'm saying it is a harness thing, I'm sure you can tell me. But whatever it is, I like finding them. And that was down, it flicked out of there. You're looking probably about 8 inches, and you heard the audio. Absolutely. Yeah, how clear that is. And the distance we're away. I mean, you've got to be near on. So probably more like, I'm up 20 inches away. Brilliant stuff. On to the next. Quality signal. Oh, I didn't want that split. And there we have, just flicked up a button. Maybe have a see this. So there's a crown on top. I don't know if that says CR, but I'm sure we'll find out with that one. Don't know how far that's going to come in before it blurs. Probably already blur. But nice badge. Button stroke badge. Probably button. But no, I like that. Cool find. And that was down. Oh, what's that? 8 inches. And cracking audio. You heard the audio there. On to the next. I've got some medium intensity audio here. So just about there. Nice and deep already. And there we are. We have another button, but this one is completely worn. A nice big button of that. And that was down just, I would say, 8 to 9 inches, I think. And it looked like slightly on its side, but quality audio for a nice size item and good depth.